What's going on, guys? Lil Boy's back again with another video. Today it's gonna be kind of just miscellaneous parts on both of our cars. We'll show you, but my car, oh yeah, we were sitting down just because like the wind, so if you hear wind, sorry about that. But so my car, we're doing just a little diffuser. It's just like a temporary one till I can build my own, and then that's all for my car today. But then Cody's car, we have
doing a new toe strap, LED reverse lights.
Hold on.
What?
Toe strap, because yours is fucking faded.
It's all in little details, you know?
Yeah, and then
LED reverse lights, because why not? And then some sick Speed Hunters tire stickers.
yeah, so yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. So hope you enjoy this just miscellaneous video, I guess.
I feel like I was just on another planet.
Alrighty, it's on there. Not too bad, not too aggressive, but I mean, if you're up close, you can definitely tell. So yeah. What was that?
Do not install under 50 degrees. It's under 50 degrees. I'm kidding, it doesn't fucking matter. I'm putting them on either way.
We'll see. What's the weather like? 30 or 63.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
By 13 degrees. Use sandpaper to remove the bumps. I already picked those off. Those are fun to pick off.
Oh, it also helps you got rubbing. So
Hey, don't
already
look at
sanded.
that part. It's half
already
sanded
sanded
already.
Half the job's already done.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, I guess I got sand somewhere. Where should I put it? Alright, start like. This is gonna be sick. Are you gonna do these too?
Beats.
Yeah.
Are you actually?
Yeah. Once you get new wheels.
Nah, dude, do them on your index. Do it. You won't.
You're right, I won't.
Alright, that should be good. Should be fine, right? Alright, what do I gotta do now? Clean off the back of the decal with acetone. Do you want these? I don't want them anymore.
Yeah, it's circle on my car.
85 bucks are yours.
Oh.
What? That's how I paid for them. Just kidding. Like 65. This is hard as shit. I do not recommend this. Anyone who wants tire stickers is not fun. Dad, I'm not helping you with yours. Fuck this. Yeah, I'm never doing this again. This is such a pain, dude. Like, I go through every crack on these stickers.
You say that about a lot of things. I will never do that again.
It's a risk you gotta take. It's all part of the game. But seriously, I'm never doing tire stickers. That's one thing I'm not lying about.
You almost done.
Alright, I'm not even halfway done, dude. dude, we have like 10, like, what do we have? We got 24 of these things a day. This is not gonna be fun. It would help if this bottle wasn't harder than a fucking rock. Dude, this glue, I swear to God. Dude, by the time I get that fucking thing done, the front's gonna be dried.
Maybe just leave speed on, like Lightning McQueen, like ka-chow. Speed. I am speed.
I'm stupid. Alright, dude, I think we're good.
I want to see you apply this bad boy. It's gonna be pretty interesting. You're gonna mess it up.
I don't know. Alright, where should I start?
Don't mess up. Don't mess up.
Shut the fuck up, dude. You're gonna make me mess up. Right here, huh?
Yeah, it's a bit crooked.
I can't see, dude. The stretch.
Alright, give me a move.
Get the camera out of my face, dude.
Oh.
I gotta get this bitch centered, right?
Yeah, it's a bit crooked, but.
Shut the hell up, dude. This is my wheel.
Oh my god. Dude, it's on the tread, dude. It's gonna wear off.
It's not on the tread.
Is it actually even sticky?
Yeah.
Interesting.
This one's, the front's gonna be a little weird because
yeah. Hopefully that don't rub off though. I mean, you're not.
Well, it doesn't rub anymore. This is from the stock vendors. We gotta wait two hours before we can peel these things off. Yeah.
To peel just that clear piece off?
Yeah. They gotta dry because you peel it off right now. It's just gonna, you know. I don't know. Hopefully it's gonna stick. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't, but. Like if we got fucking rocks and shit on here. Alright. Got speed.
Ka-chow.
Alright. So we're just gonna record one speed hunters because it's probably gonna take about 4.5 hours to do all these.
Look at that piece of shit.
That thing sounds sick. So we're just gonna record one because everyone else will be the same.
Man, it's time consuming, very time consuming.
Yeah. Can't even get this one. Be good. Throw some glue on this bad boy now. This one should be a little bit easier. I'm squeezing this. Dude, they need to think of some other method to this. This is bullshit. My hands are cramping, dude.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Give me a syringe or some shit. Give me a turkey baster. Alright, you're good. Gotta line it up with sped hunters. Good enough, dude. These tires probably won't last me a week anyway. Lots of pressure. Hey, they're actually holding pretty good. I'm kind of surprised. That's just no, that's actually the sticker, I think.
Like the clear piece or the actual letters.
Oh, it's sticking out. Okay. Some more pressure.
Some more pressure.
You're ever having problems? More power, baby.
Goose creeps. More power, baby.
More power, baby. Alright. We got speed hunt. We're like,
We're almost done. What do you mean?
with one side of one tire.
Yeah, it's almost done.
My
right?
hands are already cramping, dude.
Almost done with one tire. I never said we were almost done with the whole thing. I just said we're almost done.
Dude, I'm dead ass taking a fucking break after this one.
Let's go.
You got this, Cody.
Dude, my hands are cramping, dude. This is, give me like, or you know what, next one, we're taking a vice grip, and I'm putting a vice grip on here so I can squeeze it.
Whatever works for you, I guess.
Cause like, I cannot even squeeze
Like
the bottom.
pliers. Something that you can put.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That'd be a little bit easier.
Hopefully.
At least it'll give my fucking hands shit. At least give my hands a break. Alright, you're halfway done. Oh shit, I'm gonna close some glue.
I just forgot. It's gonna rain probably in an hour or two.
I'm done after this one. I'm done, dude. I'm fucking calling her quits. I didn't even. Should be fine. How close are they touching? So I should make these touching.
Roughly.
Shut the fuck up. Alright, dude.
Let's go.
I swear to God, I'm never doing this again. Dude, it's kind of like bitching though. If it looks good, it might motivate me to do it again. But I'm not doing yours for you, unless you give me like $100.
No.
Alright, then you're on your.
I'm doing it myself.
Alright, so I got one side and one tire done. Alright, so moving on from the tire stickers, got these kind of pointless, but why not? LED reverse lights, you know? It's because why not? So on IS300, it's got this carpet here you gotta pull back, even though you don't gotta pull back, but then you got these two bolts take out, and then taillights just come right on out. Then this one's your reverse light. Pop that one out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, oh wait, I might be dumb. Oh, we're good. We're good. Alright. So we should probably just put it in reverse, just make sure they work, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, you put it in.
I gotta start it one sec. If they don't work, you probably gotta switch them around for polarity. Ready?
Yeah, don't hit me. Oh yeah, they work.
They work? They're bright?
Yeah, they're bright.
Sick. Got a little scared there. I didn't think they were gonna work. Hopefully they actually fit. Okay, yeah, we're good.
A glove.
Done.
Yeah, if nothing ever works, just remember, smack it.
Yep,
That's
that always works.
It's
Put
always
these
the-
two bolts back in and boom.
Boom, done. Done
Got
with one
some-
side at least.
Oh shit. Alright, fuck that. We're just gonna tighten this one. Put this little carpet piece back. You don't have to remove that, just so you know. On an IS300 at least. Oh. Your sockets kind of suck, dude.
Oh, don't talk crap about the 10 mil before it beats your ass, right?
Good thing it's your 10 mil, not mine.
I'm surprised I haven't lost it yet.
Boom. Alright.
Yeah, look at this ugly trunk setup. Look at this kid.
Dude, it's don't move that around. You might disconnect the sub. It's got good connection right where it is.
Hurry up, the battery's about to die, alright?
On what?
The-
Oh,
What do you think?
I thought you were talking about my car. I was like, what?
Alright, you got 2 seconds. I'm giving you 2 seconds.
2 seconds?
Nah. You probably got like maybe a minute.
Really? Is it that dead?
I mean, it's flashing.
Hi, dude. Speedy reverse light install. Oh, that's new. Alright.
Go start the car. Hurry up, right?
Let me know if you work.
Survey says. Yep.
Come on, come on. Come on! Get the fuck in there!
That bracket that you found. Okay, there you go. Yeah. You're fine. You can probably take it a little slower now.
God, dude, we're going for a record breaker here.
I don't think there is a world record for this.
There's now.
What, 4 minutes?
Dude, we got fucking.
4 minutes to do both right now.
Nuh-uh. Boom.
Done.
LED reverse lights installed, just like that.
Yeah, your guys' opinion, I don't know, but this is my autocross rig. Piece of crap. It belongs in the autocross since this logo, you know. But yeah. So Ford Expedition, and I want to do the autocross. And I'm wondering if you guys think it would be cool to do sort of like a build series of like gutting it, roll cage, and then obviously painting it and then racing it, as long as we can race it. With you guys know why there's a possibility we couldn't race it. So yeah, let me know in the comments for that if you guys would be interested in that, seeing that as a video type. So yeah, next clip obviously Cody finishing his tire lettering.
One more thing.
Oh, one more thing.
Yeah. So our another video we got here is we're gonna be doing universal like side splitters and stuff with ABS plastic. So like this will literally be a video for like any of cars. It'll just be showing you how to make them. They're pretty easy.
Okay.
All right, so way late in the day now. Just got the tire stickers on and then the toe strap, and this is what it looks like. Looks really good. I like it a lot. They're definitely a pain to put on, but I'd definitely say it's worth it. Here's that new toe strap, just so it's not all faded. But yeah, the tire stickers, they look real good. Ooh. So, that's the end of this video. Peace out and stay low, boys.